Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. And today we'll be looking at the iPhone 12. So let's go ahead and open this thing up, see what we have. This came in the mail. Put that to the side. I thought the box would be an actual thicker box like the old iPhones, like the iPhone 11. You can see the difference. Way smaller, but let's see what this iPhone 12 looks like. Peel this off. Comes with the cable, charging cable, some stickers as always, and a little thing to pull your SIM card out, and one sticker this time. Usually they give you like 2 stickers, but I guess 1 is enough. It's the back. Ooh, this thing is cold to the touch. Beautiful. The square feature is back. As you can see on the old iPhone models, like this one, square feature is back, but this one's thicker. This one's way thinner. Oh, this is so nice. All right, let's see if we can get the peeling. Everyone loves to hear the peeling. Not much of a peeling effect. Sorry to disappoint you guys. But this is beautiful. Just black. A lot of fingerprint. Oh man, I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to touch the front or the back, but fingerprints all over this thing. But don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos, because I will be releasing more stuff and accessories for this beautiful rectangular square fancy iPhone 12. Thanks for watching. This is Low-Key Fanatic, and I'm out.